Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve authentication failed on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. After that, you can click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app and you can wait a moment to install it again to fix that problem you have on Facebook. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.